garbage up at the mouth of the Chicago River. But the big problem for Lake Park here on our left
night is racing.
Watch your head when you come up.
Tired of running after that, knowing what I'm chasing. Don't wanna be a lonely man.
Chicagoans kept dumping their garbage up on top of that great Chicago fire.
Gotta get out of this dangerous land. If my hand stops shaking, I'll try a little more giving now and a lot less taking. Oh, I'm just a broken man, trying to live with an open hand, find a better way than being beaten down and stranded on the darkest sides of love. A long way from the sun, my heart was fractured like the sidewalks where I
skateboard, your bike, feel free to shred that up. Just like the rest of Grand Park, that skate park's going to be opened up until 11 p.m. this evening. Plenty of time for you to get your garbage on there in Grand Park. Heading out east here, crossing over these two rail lines. To our left, the rail lines, they run up north, they hide behind the Art Institute of Chicago, and then disappear completely underneath Millennium Park. That's the world's largest green roof. Don't forget, when you're hanging out there at Millennium Park, there's underground rail lines and multi-level parking garages running right down underneath your feet. If you try to hide that, instead, who gave us the idea to hide our train tracks down here like this? Frederick, he's mostly well known for designing Central Park up in New York City. Gemini 12 capsule that Jim Lovell and Buzz Aldrin spent 3 days, 22 hours, and 34 minutes inside as they orbited the Earth. You can see the actual physical scorching on the heat shielding over there at the Gemini capsule.
My heart was fractured like the sidewalks where I'd run, but I have seen the sun. I have seen the sun. And these east city lights are shining.
Over the island to our right. So we're not ditching it. We're just a little behind schedule. We want to make sure we can get out to our next stop on time. Now, of course, if you hop off here at stop number 6, you can't hop into the Adler Planetarium. It looks like they're closed up for the day, but you can always hang out around the Adler Lake Walk, walk all the way around the Adler Planetarium. Yeah, you can climb on down to the Adler Lake Walk, but be careful if you do hop on down there. Adler Planetarium is at its highest levels and near the Ascension. Groundings are up some 80% north of us at Lakeshore Drive and Wacker. We're on Lakeshore Drive right now. Wacker is the same street as our stop number 1. Yeah, if you're going to be in town tomorrow, might want to check it out. Beautiful views down on the Chicago Riverwalk underneath the bridges as they come here, just like Grand Park, just like the Lakefront Trail. Maggie Daly Park closes at 11 p.m. That'll give you plenty of time to tire your kids out before you take them back to the hotel. Now, way out in front of us is Monroe and Columbus. Keep going past there, you'll hit Michigan and Monroe. That's our stop number 4. Netra and I were not moving on and along, keeping that big bus tour schedule, leaving 8 on our way out to 9. 9 is coming up next for the Sheraton Grand Hotel. My name is Alex, I'm your tour guide. Downstairs, Netra is our driver. I know you guys know the rule, but it's never as important as it is before our stop number 9. Got some low bridges coming up on our way out to the hotel.